Hello everybody, today we'll discuss about genetic variability analysis using RStudio. In order to do this genetic variability analysis, you have to use the variability package into your RStudio. And in this tutorial, I'm gonna use the data frame is called ACU. ACU is contain total of 23 columns as you see here, starting from plot number and ending with the GFR response variable. And I already imported in order to minimize or save our time. And if you have any missing value, so you have to remove missing value from your data by using ANOVA function. You can give any name that you want here, and also write your data frame or data name here in the parentheses. So type this and submit to your studio. And the package variability is not available for the latest version, that means 4.12. so I recommend you to download from the internet the variability package and incorporate. Instead of CRAN, you have to use the package archive. So type this, and I already downloaded from the internet and open and install to your studio. So by this way you can incorporate the variability package. Then let's do the first analysis. The first analysis is ANOVA, or analysis of variance. So to do that, you have to limit your columns, because the column 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 are not useful for the genetic variability analysis. So we will start from column 7 and up to the end of what? Column 23. Up to column 23, up to this or GFR. So in order to limit that, you have to use, here is a function of that helps us to analysis for ANOVA. Here is ANOVA and indicate your data name is ACU, and starts from column 7 up to column 23, and also you have to indicate genotype and replication. So type this and submit to our studio. Yes, you will get here the ANOVA result for our parameters. So these are all the analysis. Let's proceed. Let's proceed for further, especially if you want to calculate the genotypic and phenotypic coefficient of variance, heritability, especially the broad sense, genetic advance as well as genetic advance as percentage in mean. So in order to do that, you have to use the function gen.var and indicate the name, the data name. Here is the column starting from 7 into 23, and here is genotype and replication. So type this, submit to our studio, and again you will get such type of result: the maximum, minimum, grand mean, standard error, mean, and critical difference at 5 and 1%, the environmental variance, the genotypic variance, phenotypic variance, and finally here is heritability in a broad sense. Here is the genetic advance and genetic advance as percentage of mean. Furthermore, you can also go for genotypic correlation analysis. So in order to do that, you have to use the geno.cor function and indicate here is the data name and the column name that you are going to analysis 7 up to 23, and here is genotype and replication. So type this and you will get genotypic correlation to your studio. Yes, here is the correlations. Here is the genotypic correlations. And again, you can also go for the genotypic path analysis. So in order to do that, you have to use the function geno.path, and here is the ACU, here is the response or the dependent variable, here is the remaining column 8 up to column 11 are the independent variable. You can assign anything that you want on the basis of your objective. So type this and submit to your studio. You will get such results. Furthermore, for instance, let's say here is column 11, then let's say here is column 9 or up to column 10. and possibly also you can for column 7. So if you type this, you will get another result. So on the basis of your objective, you have to do the genotypic path analysis. And don't forget, here is the response or dependent variable. Here is the independent variable. So lastly, let's see the phenotypic path analysis. In order to do that, you have to use pheno.path, and you indicate here is the data name. From the data name is column 11 are independent variable, and the remaining 12 up to 23 are independent variables. So indicate genotype and replication in this way. Type this and submit to your studio. So you will get such results. So if you have any question regarding to my tutorial, you can address me through YouTube comment box as well as my email workzratasfound@gmail.com. Thank you for watching. Have a nice time.